वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। Hello friends, welcome to Sikh History Sakhi podcast. I am Harpreet Kaur, your host. How many of you believe in superstitions? Like a black cat crossing the path is wrong, or cutting the nails or washing hair on a specific day is wrong. We all do. Even I am one of you. I do believe in some of the superstitions. But when anybody questions our superstitions, do we have an answer? Like, what could go wrong? Well, I hardly have an answer to those. In the next episodes, we discuss something similar. As I said in the last episodes, Guru Nanak Dev Ji and Bhai Mardana Ji are slowly going towards east and reached Haridwar. On his travel, called Udasi, he stayed and blessed the people at some places and put them on the true path of life. As mentioned in War 1 Pauri 24 by Bhai Gurdas Ji, बाबे पेख बनाया उदासी की रीत चलाई चढ़िया सोदन धरत लुकाई. Meaning, to further understand the people, Guru Nanak Dev Ji preached them to be detached from the pleasure and pain. Thus, he went out to depurate humanity on earth. Haridwar is considered a holy place for Hindus. Various important religious events like Kumbh Mela are hosted in Haridwar. It is located at bank of river Ganga in Uttarakhand. Haridwar translates to the gateway of Almighty, where Hari means God and Dwar means gateway. People gather in large numbers to go to the temples and religious events in Haridwar. Ganga is the third largest river on earth. The river Ganga has been considered divine since the start of time. People take a customary dip, or you can say bath, in the holy Ganga, as it is believed that it washes away all the sins. Moreover, people cup their hands, fill it with Ganga water, and let it fall back as homage to their ancestors and the Almighty and even the Sun God. Also, they offer flower petals, small candles, or diyas and bring home water from Ganga called Ganga Jal for purity. Now Guru Nanak Dev Ji and Bhai Mardana Ji have reached Haridwar. They saw a lot of people bathing in the holy Ganga and offering water towards sun, that is the east direction. There were pandits sitting around the bank of river asking for charity as they told about people's future. Guruji saw that although people were washing themselves in the pious water to be rid of their sins, but not actually cleansing their minds. They were offering water to ancestors, but their mind was full of hatred and rivalries for one another. As mentioned in Sri Nanak Prakash, बड्डी पीर लख अंतर्यामी सबके हृदय मलीन बिलोक निर्मल कर्मन किनो न रोक. Meaning, people have filth in their hearts. Nobody controls their own thoughts. Then how can they become cleansed? Guruji watched all this and chose to stay here. The next morning, Guruji entered into Ganga. He turned opposite to sun and started throwing palmfuls of water towards west side. A few people noticed and wondered what was Guruji doing. Slowly, more people gathered. and one could hear whispers going around. What is he doing? Who is he? Is he a Muslim or a Hindu? People started calling out to him, "Stop! What you are doing is wrong." But Guruji seemed to be so absorbed in throwing water, he didn't even listen. Even more people gathered around to see what was happening. Then one of the Brahmins went up to Guru Nanak Dev Ji, stopped him, and said, "Why are you giving water to the opposite direction? Don't you know it's wrong?" Tune in next Tuesday to know why was Guru Nanak Dev Ji throwing water in the opposite direction. I hope this brings some value to you and your family. Thank you.